Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the single or double quad keys are not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So when you are attempting to use such quad markers onto your document, you may have noticed that the quad keys is not working. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select time and language. On right side select language and religion. In here you want to select your language type on here guys. In my case I am Indian, that's why I click on this three dot icon and select language option. You just need to scroll down to the bottom. You will be see the keyboard option over here. Installed keyboards. Remove any keyboards except the one you are currently using, which by most people standard, which should be like US keyboard or Indian English keyboard. May other keyboard you have it, then you just need to click on this three dot icon and remove it guys. And if you not have US or English India keyboard, you just need to add guys. For adding it, click on add a keyboard and add your language and add it guys. And hopefully this can able to resolve the problem. So you really need to use the quotation marker. You just need to go to search menu and type on screen keyboard. Click on open it guys. It will help you to use keyboard without using your original keyboard guys. It will be type using your mouse. Click on it and use any words in here and type it guys. And that's how you use the on-screen keyboard. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.